Hello friends, this is the second part of interview skills. In the last part, we have seen introduction to interviews and some type of the interviews. In this part, we are going to see process of an interview and steps to prepare for an interview. I request you all to keep your notebook handy. So let's see process of an interview. First, entering the interview room. Then second, greeting. That is good morning, good afternoon. It should be said accordingly. Then getting comfortable. Fourth, interview expectations. Fifth, general interview discussion. Sixth, further inspections. Seventh, asking questions. Eighth, closing. And ninth, following up. So this is the general procedure of an interview. Then we are going to see steps to prepare for an interview. Preparation of resume. It is the first steps to prepare for an interview. So what is resume? It is a general profile of a candidate. What it includes, you should take them down. First, candidate's name, which includes basic information with contact details. Second, education details. It should include your education qualifications and where did you achieve them from. Third, skills. It should include only relevant skills for the job and certifications, if any. Experience. If you have worked in any previous company, include how many years have you worked in that profession, what were your pre-result areas and achievements, certificates, courses that you have completed, sports or any other activity certificates. Fifth, extracurricular. Write about your achievements and community involvement. Okay, so this information should be included in your resume. So while writing this resume, you should keep in mind that an resume should be an ideal resume. It should be well organized without any grammatical error and written in business communication language. Means language should be neat. It should not be written in gaudy or rustic language. 70% candidates are rejected because they do not have a good resume. Friends, it is very important that if we do not write our resume well, we have more chances to get rejected. Write a resume in a rough and then correct it for mistakes until you think that it cannot be corrected more. It means you have to write your resume again and again until it get better. Match your skills that are relevant to the job description, and include only those. What does this mean? You should write relevant skills which is relevant to the job. Okay, so you should not write your extra skills which are not relevant to the job. I have some tips to create a good resume. You should write them down. First, apart from avoiding grammatical mistakes, make sure you follow a simple yet effective format. Second tip, mention your career objective at the start and ensure that it attracts HR managers' attention. Third, make sure that your personal credentials are correct and updated. If you are a fresher, it could be fourth. If you are a fresher, mention it in your resume. It gives a scope of learning and it is a way better than telling them directly. Fifth, if you are changing your job, mention that too. Be precise about your current condition. Sixth, if in case you have an employment gap, mention that too, but also prepare a valid and convincing reason for the same. Seventh tip, make sure you use only one type of font in your entire resume. Eighth, your resume should not be more than 3 pages. So these are some tips for an ideal resume. If resume is not complete, appealing and relevant to post you are applying for, you will lose the opportunity to be invited for the interview. Okay? After that, we are going to see how to show our strength and how to show our strengths in an interview. What strength should be shown at interview? First, confidence. Second, experience. Third, social compatibility. Fourth, teamwork. Fifth, education and training. Sixth, communication skills. Seventh, leadership. Eighth, influencing others. Ninth, positive attitude. And tenth, writing proposals. Okay, friends, this is for this part. In the next part, we are going to see the examples of how to show your strengths in an interview. Okay, so we are going to meet at the next part.